Let's rock! Cocoa Beans is back! Hey!
Okay, so I've just fueled up. I'm making my way to do the ring of Kerry. That's the next loop. It should take me about 5 hours to do apparently with the gap of Dunloe. But you know, I like to take little stop-offs, take a few money shots. I'm guessing maybe 6.5 hours, get to the campsite for about maybe 5 p.m. because it is at the moment, it is 10:50. I'm in the town of Kenmare at the moment. Okay, let's see what the fuss is about. It's like a nice little town. A few more bikers. Whoa, look at this. Whenever I see a large, like, lake or something, it just feels like a nice ride. Let's go, baby! Hey! Haha! I'm at a little viewpoint. It's good, we're just gonna get higher and higher, and I can feel a bit of rain as well. Quite cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring down, otherwise gotta put this back. And yeah, it wouldn't be a good ride if it started raining. I see boats down there too. Chopper, helicopter, wow, around here. Maybe this is for like emergency if something goes bad. Okay, quick update, my fellow hobos. Right, so basically it is super windy. Oh my gosh, it's so windy, and I'm seeing grey clouds. It might start raining soon. I think I've come to the end of the like good weather or something in Ireland, you know. So I haven't been seeing no sunshine today. But anyway, yeah, I am coming up to the end of the Ring of Kerry. But I'm not going to end it right there. I'm going to do the Gap of Dunloe as well, which is basically inside the Ring of Kerry. It's not going to be too long, and then after that find the campsite because it's getting kind of blistery, like blustery. God damn, I've been riding for how long now? Since 10:30. It's now 2:30, about 4 hours. Yep, so I'm off the Ring of Kerry now. I am making my way to the Gap of Dunloe. This is where it begins. It's going to be about what, half an hour down this lane. Not too long. So this is a really built up area. Oh, horses. The horses and the carriages can bring you up there. Turn off my engine, I don't want to scare the horse. There seems to be a lot of pedestrians over here, a lot of walkers. Be careful. Stop here for now. It wasn't me, honestly. It wasn't me.
Yeah. No, just be careful.
Okay.
Definitely that person, whoever's camera is there,
Yeah.
that's one of the guards is going to be here shortly.
Yeah, okay.
Be careful.
Okay, alright.
Yeah?
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't go behind people's houses.
Okay, yeah.
Because there has been a lot of trouble over it, like in the area.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I said I'd come out just let you know.
Okay.
Like they're videoing behind the house.
Yeah.
They're not happy with
I'm not doing that, honestly.
But you see, there's a lot of tourists and things to be here.
Yeah.
You see, when children were here and everything else, like people were complaining about it. So that's why I said I'd come out and say.
Okay.
I'm not a tourist here, like
Okay.
I'm a local person here.
Yeah.
At the same time, I said let you know.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. Okay. Alright. Alright, thank you. Oh, this is nice. So the Gap of Dunloe is definitely a nice little detour from the Ring of Kerry. Really recommend it, I reckon. Bro, it's so windy, oh my gosh. Climb up that rock there to get like a little money shot. The drone was following me, but then when it got to the top, like the wind was so strong, it blew the drone away and the drone fell on the floor. Oh my days. I think it's still working, but yeah, it's all scratched up. I'm upset. I mean, I might get repaired, I don't know. That's not good. So we finished the Gap of Dunloe. That was only like a little 10-kilometer ride, but now I'm entering the Black Valley. So I need to go through this route to get back onto the Ring of Kerry to get out of here to find the campsite. This is going to be about a 40-minute ride. Traffic jam. I've cut my engine off, I don't want to scare the horse. Hello? 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 Hello guys. Hello, hello, hello. More coming through, oh my god. We're nearly out of the Black Valley, but seriously, it was not easy riding through there because it's like hilly and steep, like go up and down, and there are times when you got to stop on the hill, and this, you know, when you got little legs trying to stop on a camber, I think that's what it's called. It's not easy, especially when you're like following cars ahead of you because they constantly have to stop and start. Oh my days, man. But I just feel upset now because of my drone, man. My baby drone is damaged. I mean, I think it still works because I made it follow me and it was okay, but then it just looks so scratched up. It's all cosmetic. If it's only cosmetic damage and it works perfectly fine, then I'm just got to live with that. But maybe I can contact Hover to get it repaired, like to make it look brand new again. Don't know how much that'll cost me. I know I was under 1 year's warranty, but I think that's ended now. Loads of bikers coming down. Tons of bikers. It's like a little group ride. They're all on little bikes. Except for him. Oh my god, so many of them. Must be a little tour. Okay, so I thought I was out of the twisty, tight, single track roads, but it seems like I've had to go back into it to get out of it, and it's, oh my god, that's 7 kilometers of this, 8 kilometers of this. The cows in the backdrop there. Trust me, this is not easy, you know, because it's such a tall bike as well. If I had to stop on a hill, oh, it's going to be a problem. Come on, my friend, push it, push harder. Hello. His legs must be burning right now, all that lactic acid building up in his legs. My god. We made it out there alive, thank God for that. But yeah, we're back on the Ring of Kerry now. Gonna ride to the nearest petrol station, maybe fuel up, and then look for the campsite. It's a lake over here. Another lake. Ooh. Okay, so I found a campsite. I'm in a town of Killarney, and this is a campsite. About €21.50 for the evening. And yeah, because it's basically next to the Ring of Kerry. So turn right. Wait a sec. Turn left, turn right. I'm confused. What did you say? This way? All the way around this way. I'm sure it's a turn right, didn't he? Thank you. Man, I'm going the wrong way. I have no idea where I'm going. Am I going the wrong way? I'm sure I am. I thought you said turn left. Oh my days, I'm baffled. Oh, it's that way. I think it goes that way. Too many pitch up here, yeah. Oh, goddamn, very, very slippery. Wow. That was not a joke. I felt it straight away.